Hello everyone, hi, this is Amit Sharma and welcome back to my channel Web for Click. Today our three topics are graphics design, web design and UX UI design. I think most of people confuse about the differences, required skills and available jobs in industries for these kind of designers. So today we will clear it, and without wasting the time, let's start.
Graphics design. To be a professional graphics designer, you must be the graduate in any stream, no matter which subject you have. But if you choose math or focus on geometry and drawing, that will be best for a designer. Although many softwares available in the market, but some popular required skills are Photoshop, Illustrator and CorelDRAW. Photoshop widely used in natural photography, wedding photography, logo, banner and web PSD designs, printing media, motion graphics and flash design, etc. So you can make your career in these entire fields with Photoshop as a graphics designer. Apart from that, if you have interest to design vectors, 2D animated characters, products or packaging, then you must go with Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Illustrator is widely used to design 2D animated characters, products design, package design, brochure design, visiting card design, t-shirt design or logo, banner and web PSD design. So you can make your career in 2D animation companies, products or package design industries, web PSD, banner and logo design companies, or t-shirt or cloth printing companies. CorelDRAW is similar to Illustrator and used for vector design. Biggest industry that use CorelDRAW is pottery and clothes printing. You also can design products, package, brochures, visiting card, t-shirt, logo, banner and web PSD similar to Illustrator. Web design. Web design also have a good scope in industries, and for best web designer you must be at least graduate or postgraduate with any stream, but the best will be if you choose programming languages in your subject. A web designer designs the front end of any website, portal or online softwares. He is responsible to code in HTML and CSS by provided PSD design or wireframe. Many companies provide the designs or wireframe to the designer for code HTML and CSS. Most of time, developers who work on backend integrate the design in the website or software with the help of web designer. Although for web designer most important skills are HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery, but sometimes small companies demand more skills like Photoshop for banner or logo purpose. If you want to a good package and stable job in industries, then you can add some more skills like Angular, React or ASP.NET programming languages front-end design in your skill. It's easy to convert from HTML CSS design into any of these languages on front end. UX UI designers. UX UI designers handle user interface and user experience design or wireframe for the website, portals, mobile applications or online softwares. They communicate with the clients and understand his requirements for the design. So you must need a good comm skill and should a graduate or postgraduate for UX UI designer. UX UI designer first make wireframe and then convert it into live design. By the UX UI design, we can show whole website or mobile applications in fully functional manner without any coding in very short time. Although lots of softwares available for UX UI design, but some popular and demanded softwares are Adobe XD, Sketch for Apple, Luancy, Icon 8 for Windows. UX UI designer is responsible for all three tasks: creating wireframe or structure for website or mobile applications, creating user interface design or PSD for the website or applications, creating the prototypes or animated features for the website or applications. For example, here I created a UI UX design for mobile application. You can see this is the user interface panel where I can draw or design anything with the help of desired tools. After complete design, I can create a new artboard for the next page and also for another next page and so on. After complete this design, I can interconnect the all pages with each other with the help of prototypes. I also can do so many animation and required functions to attract the client. I also can play and see my whole design and interlinked pages. Apart from that, I can use animation like functional menu and other transitions for the mobile applications or websites to show the client. After complete and approved by client, the UX UI design go to the development team where the web designer and developer complete whole process. Only large organizations and reputed companies hire UX UI designers because small companies cannot afford the cost of softwares, UX UI employees or required hardwares. So small organizations work hard and make changes again and again. Apart from that, directly code is very time consuming process. Sometimes clients irritate and leave the project, while the UX UI design process is very simple and easy. If the client need changes, then we can do it in couple of seconds. So this was the deep introduction of graphics design, web design and UX UI design. Hope you would enjoy the video.
And subscribe the channel if you want more knowledgeful content.